Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I am super excited because we have got a new Naked palette on the scene. Urban Decay have just released the new Naked Cyber palette. Can we look at this packaging? Is that not insane? So today I'm going to be talking you through a really cool look using this palette and giving you my first impressions of the Naked Cyber palette. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure today is the day you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me, and yeah, let's get into the palette. Okay, so let's talk Naked Cyber. So as you guys can see, the palette has such cute packaging. It's like this pastel circuit board moment, like, can we take a second? And then inside, you've got this really cool variety of colours. You've got some kind of soft peaches, you've got some kind of neutrals with sparkle, and some really cool iridescent duochromes as well. So this palette in the pan does look very like ethereal, very pastel. I've used this palette before. I did do a shoot with this for Urban, and let me tell you, like, these shadows have to be seen to be believed. So it's the kind of thing where, because they're really multi-dimensional and reflective, that in the pan they don't show just how amazing they are until they go on the eyes. You'll see when I do the look with this, you'll see that the colours really do come to life when they're on the skin. So that's what we're going to do today. So you've got a really nice variety of colours here. You've got some softer colours, you've got some kind of medium colours with kind of duochromes, and then this kind of section here, which is that kind of really like smoky but still really vibrant, like sparkly, multi-dimensional duochrome. Like, can we take a second? So I'm going to do a really cute look using this palette today. So that is the plan. So without further ado, let's just cut into the eye look. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm doing, and let's begin. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to be priming my eyes, and for that I'm going to be using the original eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. This one here is just a little travel size one, but I always like to use original when I am doing more of a shimmer based look, because I find it really grips the pigment and makes it super sparkly, almost like a glitter glue. So we're going to just start off by using that soft peachy matte shade Gadget, just on the kind of outer 2/3 of the eyes. This is going to give a really subtle, soft hit of definition to the outer corners, as well as creating a base for darker colours to blend out into really seamless. Forgive me for being like the worst swatcher in the world, but I was just trying to figure out what colour I was going to do next. And can you guys see, like, these look like wet on the skin, like, they are no joke. I've decided I'm going to do a kind of spotlight eye shape, so I'm going to take the colour Bite, which is this really nice, like, brick red matte, and we're going to just stamp that into the inner and outer corner and just really get that colour really intense and really opaque. And we're going to just keep defining that spotlight shape and keeping this centre point of the lid really empty, so that any shimmer we put on top is really going to pop and really stand out. And you guys know that doing a spotlight eye is a real favourite shape of mine, so I'm really liking just getting that really nice warm rust coloured spotlight, and then I'm going to do a really popping shimmer down the middle, which you guys know is my favourite thing to do. Now I'm just taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on eye pencil in the shade Freak, which is this really cool like neon green, and I'm going to just use that as a base for the shimmer, so that when we put it on top it really pops and you really see that duochrome texture. Next we're going to dip into this shade here, Cyberspace. This is a duochrome shimmer, so it's super reflective, and we're going to just place that on top of that green pencil. Oh guys, you see, just using your finger for this really makes it go on super wet and really intense, and it just gives a really blinding shimmery finish to the lid. Guys, you'll see me applying this shade Cyberspace over the top of the green pencil. It really helps you see all the different dimensions in that duochrome sparkle. Like, how nice does that look? And when you kind of turn and catch the light, the colour can reflect different. So I really like the kind of duochrome formula. I think it's really interesting. It's a really great way to add a pop of colour or a pop of shimmer to your look without really trying hard, but it always really looks like you've done so much to your look. So it's a really easy tip to really just take that look to the next level. So next up I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide on pencil and torch. As you guys can see, I love this pencil, but it's really similar to the colour of Bite, so I'm going to use that to smoke out my lower lash line. So we're just taking a little bit more of that shade Bite, and we're using that just to smoke out our lower lashes, just making sure we're really connecting that to the shape on top. And now we're going to dip into that super foiled shade Static, and we're going to just pop that in the inner corner as a highlight. That is super wet looking. I really like that. Next I'm just going to apply a little bit of Subversion Lash Primer from Urban Decay and Perversion Mascara, just to give my lashes a really nice, intense, super black and fluffy lash. I've been really quite liking just wearing mascara on its own recently as opposed to always wearing falsies. I think because I have been trying to not wear falsies as often, my own lashes are actually starting to look really good, and then these two products on top just really help to give my lashes that little extra lift, and I just think they look so good. Like, I'm just so impressed with my own lashes just now. They seem to be getting long again. Years of falsy abuse caught up to me, but I'm going to try and get my own lashes back in action. Yeah, you know, I don't think I was going to jump off camera and do lashes, but I don't think I need a lash today. I quite like this on its own. Final thoughts, I really like this look I created with the Naked Cyber. I think it was really nice. Like, obviously this palette, like, when you see them in the pan, the colours do look quite pale and quite, like, subtle, but as you can see when they go in the lid, they really do pack a punch and they really do pop. So I really like this. I'm definitely going to use this palette for another look, probably on Instagram as a little reel or something. I like the look that I created today. I think it's very cool. I think the palette is really cool. I mean, the packaging alone, like, come on. I've been always kind of like the packaging, but this one is like extra special, I would say. So yeah, all products that I've used today, including Naked Cyber, will be linked below. You guys know I am an Urban Decay affiliate and I do work for the brand, but I haven't been paid to make this video. This is just because I wanted to. So all products will be linked below if you want to shop them today. And yeah, let me know if you're going to be picking up a Naked Cyber palette. I think it is a really cool addition to the family. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, let's make sure today is the day that you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss any future uploads from me. Get me on TikTok, get me on Instagram, let's become best of friends, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!